Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and turn off your profile views on LinkedIn. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter what you will do, first of all, go ahead, access your LinkedIn app. Once you have done so, in this home section you can find this kind of interface. Right afterwards, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top, and now tap on the settings icon that will be given below over here. Once you have done so, this will simply load all of the settings that you require for your account. Now go ahead, tap on this option called visibility, which is given below, and here in this area you can see all of the visibility of your LinkedIn activity. You can see visibility of your profile and network. So if you would like to stop it or turn it off, what you're going to do, first of all, you can tap on this profile viewing, and you can say it's a private mode. It's what first of all you will have to turn your account to private mode, so the viewing option will turn off. And the other one would be simply, who can say, download or email. You can again go ahead, access it as well, what kind of person, or if this also only you want to stay, then tap on this only visible to me, second option. Another would be who can see members to follow. If you don't want that to be listed, you can do that as well. Who can see your last name representing your organization, profile discovery and visibility of LinkedIn. If you also want to turn this off, your visibility, you can also turn this icon off like this. And here in the section represented profile discovery using email address, profile discovery using phone, and blockings. So all of these settings, if you want to totally be not found, then you can simply come over here and turn it to private view or turn it off like that. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.